Hi everyone, this video is a brief introduction to the Mastering Geography or MG assignments. So I'm in the course right here in week 1, and here is yet another place where I've put the course ID number, which you need in MG. So in another tab, I have Mastering Geography open. I've already logged in, so I'm assuming you can figure that out on your own. And then you would go to My Courses. I don't really know what your screen looks like. This is what my screen looks like, but you would have to enter a course ID to get access to Geography 230, okay? And then once you're in there, you're in the right course, you can go to assignments, and there will be assignments listed. It does not look like this for you. Let me go back to course home. I'm still figuring all this out myself too. Oh, I know. Go to assignments and then go to calendar instead of list. It'll show you when things are due. So the first 3 weeks, there's week 1 MG assignment is due Thursday by 11, Thursday by 11:30 p.m. Here's week 2, available. It's not quite available yet because you can't do it ahead, but it will be due the next Thursday night by 11:30 p.m. And week 3, and so on. Okay, so you can click on one of these through the calendar. You can also click on it through other ways. I do have an optional assignment up here. It doesn't. It's graded, but it doesn't count for anything. It's just getting you used to mastering geography. So you can click into that one. And I'm going to click on, usually there's a student view. Here we go. This is what you'll see. There's 4 different things you can go into and do the assignments, okay? And this is just meant to get you used to mastering geography, okay? Get rid of that. Then you can start your week 1 assignment anytime. It is available now, and you go into it, and I'm going to click student view again instead of my view. And what I've tried to do is organize it so the multiple choice questions are first, things that you might see repeated on the weekly quizzes are first, and then you'll have some videos to watch and multiple choice questions to answer in association with the videos. Then you'll have some maps to label and answer questions upon. There's an animation. Then there's some map master assignments you need to do. And then there are the last 3 things are extra credit. So if you've missed some points and you want to try to make back some points, the extra credit will always be using Google Earth. It's a little more complicated, so some of you may just skip those every week. That's your choice. But that is how you would earn extra credit in MG. Okay. The first week is pretty extensive. I've given you every type of exercise that you will encounter the entire 5 weeks of this course. And there are different point values for different things, so pay attention to that. And that's about it. Just go through it. And each week you can figure you're going to be spending up to 3 hours on each MG assignment. Okay. You can save it and go back to it later. You don't have to do it all at once. So when you're in this, you don't have to do it in order. You can decide, oh, I want to do the video ones first because I have more time right now. So you could click into one of the videos, and you have to click on the video, click to launch the video, and it opens in a new window, and then you go through and you answer the questions about the video. And I tried to choose videos that are all short. None of them are, I don't think any of them are beyond 10 minutes long. I tried to choose the shorter ones, okay? And so you can skip around, and let's say you just did that one video and now your friend needs you for something or your job needs you. You can just save it and you can go back to it later. You can do it a little at a time. You don't have to do it all in one sitting. Okay? That's the basics about MG. If you have any more questions, let me know on the discussion board.